Adding images to your Balsamiq wireframe is a straightforward process that enhances your designs by incorporating visual elements. Follow these steps to easily insert and manage images in Balsamiq. Prepare your image. Ensure the image file is saved on your computer in a supported format like PNG, JPG, or GIF. Consider resizing or cropping your image before uploading to ensure it fits your wireframe design. Import the image. Drag and drop. Drag the image file directly from your computer into the Balsamiq canvas. The image will be automatically placed in the wireframe. Use the image control. Go to the toolbar and select the image icon from the UI library. Click on the canvas where you want to insert the image. In the Property Inspector on the right, click Choose File to upload an image from your computer. Position and resize the image. After importing, click and drag the image to move it around the canvas. Resize the image by dragging the corners or edges while maintaining proportions. Adjust image properties. You can adjust opacity, rotation, or add annotations to the image using the Properties panel.